In this problem, two interacting genes which are assorting independently are given. These were involved in the same pathway, but absence of either of the gene function that leads to absence of the end product of particular pathway. So dihybrid cross involved these two genes that is carried out. So what fraction of this F2 progeny that will show the presence of the end product among total 16 genotypes that we have to find out, and these are the answer options. Now based on this theory, means one thing, that absence of either of this gene function leads to absence of end product. So there might be a modification in typical Mendelian ratio, right? So suppose these genes are A and B, and this is an example of, if you remember, that duplicate dominant epistasis, that in that portion particular both of the genes A and B in its either of its dominant state produce the last end product. Means typical Mendelian ratio is modified rather than 9:3:3:1. So these are the gametes when particularly F1 progenies met with each other, right? So total 9 genotypes we get. But for an example, if allele A or gene A contains an enzyme named A, and gene B contains an enzyme named B, means A is present in its fully dominant state or else either of its dominant state, it will convert a final product. Means it is now in its functional state. Or in the presence of B gene, it contains enzyme B. No matter this B gene is present in its fully dominant or else it's either of the dominant state, it contains B enzyme. When both of the genes are present in its fully dominant or else in either of its dominant state, both of the enzyme A and B are in its functional state. In its functional state, if both of the enzymes are present, we get end product. But if both of the genes are present in its totally recessive form, not either of the dominant or else fully dominant, no enzyme is functional now, and we get no product. Means end product can't be converted. So in this Punnett square table, we find only one genotype that is contains small a, small b, small b genotype, that is responsible for the conversion of, that is not responsible for the conversion of end product. Rest of the genotypes, no matter A is present in its fully dominant or else both of the genes are present in either of its dominant state, we get the end products. So ratio should be 15:1. So among 16 we get total 15 genotypes by which we get end product, and we found only one genotype named small a, small b, by which we did not get any of the products. So among 16 total 15 genotypes we found by which we get functional product. So S is the correct answer. And friends, if you find that my videos are helpful to you, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will be notified for the next upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.